How's it going? Kevin here. Today we're going to try to fix my DualSense controller. I was playing Doom Eternal a little bit too hard and managed to mess up one of the triggers on it. You can see here's what a normal trigger would look like. Good spring to it, nice force. The one that I messed up here just doesn't quite make the same sound, and if you listen closely, you might be able to hear there's a bit of a cracking noise in there, so not too sure what that could be. Hoping it becomes more apparent when we take it apart. Let's get to it. Looks to me like the spring is not where it should be. You can see it's trapped right there. How the hell? Looking on the other side, nothing here. But the spring is sitting here on the inside. If you look right there, there's nothing. How the heck does that even happen? All right. Playful / open to pets. Alright, looks like we broke a spring and that got wedged in the trigger. That's what was making that crunchy noise. Now that it's out, not the same force, but at least we can press it cleanly. Unfortunately, gonna have to order that part by mail. Says it should be here in about 2 days, so play a little bit of the waiting game. And we're good. Parts here, came in the mail. Got about 10 springs for $8. Paid a little extra for fast shipping. Let's go finish this fix.